Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Redmi 12 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to record calls on this smartphone. Firstly, open the Play Store. Open the Play Store and find here Cube ACR. Click Install. Great, now click Open. Click Next, grant while using the app, allow. Enable App Connector, choose here Downloaded Apps. Then Cube ACR App Connector, use Cube ACR App Connector. Click I'm aware of the possible risks. Click OK. Allow. Add Cube to auto start. Click OK. Then choose Cube ACR. Go back. OK, go eat. No restrictions. OK, go eat. No thanks. OK, go eat. Click on the cross. And great! Now all your calls will be automatically recorded, but I suggest to use speaker modes when calling to record your voice and voice of your communication partner. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching and bye. See you.